2 years ago, DJI transformed its consumer drone business with the foldable Mavic Pro. Since then, the drone giant has added a number of additions to the line, including the lightweight Air and super portable Spark. Introduced at an event last week in Brooklyn, the Mavic 2 Pro doesn't represent a major upgrade from its predecessor, but it does bring some important tweaks to the premium product. The camera is the biggest focus this time around, so much so that the company opted to provide 2 different SKUs. There's a Mavic 2 Pro, which is the first DJI to sport a Hasselblad camera, and the Mavic 2 Zoom, the first in the line to offer optical zoom, as the name implies. Unfortunately, the swappable gimbal didn't show up this time out. The image and video quality is solid on both models, and for most users, the cheaper zoom is more than sufficient for AV needs. It also includes some cool tricks like the dolly zoom feature, which creates a Hitchcock-like effect. Flying the drones is fairly similar to the predecessors, and while there have been some tweaks on board, you likely won't notice much of a difference, save for an extra couple minutes of battery life. Obstacle detection works pretty well, though we did manage to crash into a tree once the drone was out of our line of sight. The Mavic 2 isn't a revolutionary improvement, nor is it enough to justify an upgrade for Mavic Pro owners, but it's enough to keep it at the forefront of consumer drones. The Zoom and Pro are available now, starting at $1249 and $1449 respectively.